your best time to try it.
今天我 try 是85.8跟52.8 ，try Z5 蛮不错啦，给女孩子的话，她拿的weight也不错，也不会说很大，她 shooting 的时候也蛮快一点。
今天是主要来 try 2个新的 lens， 24-120 f4， 还有一个40 f2。Overall lens quality 现在还看起来是不错的，只有这样子的 event， 你才可以 try 到更加多的 lens， 不同的 lens， 你才知道更加多的 possible on creativities 啦。
I just got to borrow the 50 f1.2 lens. It's really awesome. You guys should try it out. So hope you all join future events like this, and 100% guarantee you'll get a very good experience.
In the morning we have like they have like a model shooting. The participants went to Padang Kota. They took some photos. So yeah, I find it really exciting, and I really hope that more and more people get into photography more lah.
Okay, thank you Futuramic and thank you Nikon for inviting me to this talk. I feel actually very fortunate to have this opportunity to share my knowledge. I hope that this talk will inspire more people in this creative industry.